Hey there, welcome to Ernest Tutorial. If you're looking to make $100 a day online without any investment, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to explore 10 exciting ways that can help you achieve that goal. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's dive right in. Wait! Before that, please do me a favor by subscribing to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell as well. Let's continue. 1. Freelancing. One of the most popular ways to make money online without investing anything is through freelancing. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients who are willing to pay for their services. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or social media manager, there's a wide range of opportunities available. With consistent effort and high-quality work, you can easily make $100 a day or more. 2. Online surveys. Did you know that you can earn money by sharing your opinions? Many market research companies pay individuals to take online surveys. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars offer paid surveys where you can earn a few dollars for each completed survey. While it may not be a huge income stream, combining multiple surveys can help you reach that $100 target. 3. Virtual assistants. If you're organized and have good communication skills, becoming a virtual assistant can be a great way to make money online. Small businesses and entrepreneurs often seek virtual assistants to help with tasks like email management, social media scheduling, data entry, and more. Platforms like Upwork and Zirchel can connect you with clients who require your assistance. By providing valuable support, you can earn a steady income without any upfront investment. 4. Content creation. Are you passionate about creating content? Whether it's writing blog posts, making videos, or starting a podcast, content creation offers tremendous potential to make money online. You can monetize your content through various avenues such as ad revenue, sponsored content, or selling products and services. With dedication, consistency, and providing value to your audience, you can build a following and generate a significant income. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Commission Junction offer a wide range of affiliate programs across different industries. You can create content, such as product reviews or recommendations, and include your unique affiliate links. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. With strategic promotion and targeting the right audience, you can reach your $100 daily goal. 6. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, online tutoring can be a lucrative option. Platforms like VIPKid, Tutor.com, and Chegg connect tutors with students seeking personalized learning. Whether it's academic subjects, language learning, or even playing a musical instrument, there's a demand for online tutors. Set your rates, create engaging lessons, and help others succeed while earning a substantial income. 7. Print on demand. Have a creative side? Print-on-demand services allow you to design and sell custom merchandise without any upfront costs. Websites like Printful, Teespring, and Redbubble handle the printing, shipping, and customer service for you. All you need to do is create unique designs and promote your products. With the right marketing strategies, you can build a brand and make $100 a day or more selling your merchandise. 8. Online gigs. Online gig platforms like TaskRabbit, Gigwalk, and Amazon Mechanical Turk offer various short-term tasks that you can complete for money. These tasks can include data entry, product testing, virtual errands, or even participating in online research. While the pay per gig may vary, combining multiple gigs can help you achieve your daily income target. 9. Social media management. If you're skilled in managing social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, many businesses are willing to pay for your services. By helping them create engaging content, increase followers, and manage their online presence, you can earn a substantial income. Start by showcasing your skills on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or even by reaching out to local businesses in your area. 10. Online reselling. Love hunting for bargains? Online reselling might be the perfect fit for you. Websites like eBay, Poshmark, and Depop allow you to sell second-hand or even new items online. You can find products at thrift stores, garage sales, or clearance sales and resell them at a higher price. With a keen eye for valuable items and some marketing skills, you can turn this into a profitable venture. There you have it. These are some of ways to make $100 a day online without any initial financial commitment. Now let's look at what we need to do after knowing the way in order to make this dream come true. But before that, I want you to do me a favor by subscribing to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell as well. This will encourage me to create more educative content like this. Let's continue. Before you can make this dream come true, even after knowing the way, you need to 1. Define your goals. The first step to success is defining clear and specific goals. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve in your online hustle? Is it financial freedom, flexible working hours, or building a thriving business? By having a clear vision of your goals, you can create a roadmap to success and stay motivated along the way. 2. Develop a plan. Once you have your goals in mind, it's time to develop a strategic plan. Break down your big goals into smaller, actionable steps. Set deadlines for each milestone and create a timeline for your progress. Having a well-thought-out plan will keep you focused and ensure you're consistently working towards your objectives. 3. Master your skills. In the online world, skills are your currency. Identify the key skills required in your chosen field and invest time in mastering them. Take online courses, read books, watch tutorials, and practice regularly. The more you refine your skills, the more valuable you become in your niche, increasing your chances of success. 4. Build a strong online presence. In today's digital landscape, having a strong online presence is essential. Create a professional website or portfolio that showcases your work and expertise. Utilize social media platforms relevant to your industry to engage with your target audience. By building a credible and recognizable online presence, you'll attract more clients, customers, or opportunities. 5. Provide value. Remember, success comes from providing value to others. Whether you're offering services, products, or content, always strive to deliver quality and exceed expectations. Focus on solving problems, meeting needs, and satisfying your audience. By consistently providing value, you'll build a loyal customer base and gain a positive reputation. 6. Network and collaborate. Networking is crucial in the online world. Connect with like-minded individuals, industry professionals, and potential clients or customers. Join online communities, attend virtual events, and participate in relevant forums. Collaboration can also open doors to new opportunities, so don't hesitate to partner with others who complement your skills or target audience. And there you have it, 10 fantastic ways to make $100 a day online without any investment and what we need to do after knowing the way. Remember, success in any of these methods requires effort, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. So, choose the method that resonates with you the most, take action, and start earning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy earning!